Latest on transfer news amathimba amaningi athenga abe yakhe team iyathenga na. So ngizoqanga indaba ke namhlanje bafethu ebehamba phambili regarding uRhulani Mgwena. Remember ke uRhulani Mgwena bafethu sathanda resigna kwi club ade kuyona le eLibya ebizwa ngani na, ebizwa ngeAl Ittihad. Abayaziyo ke leyo club leyo isisayine abadlali abaningi ababizayo la eAfrica. Ifuna nje ukusayina no Ribeiro Costa lo bedlalela yona iMulti Sundowns. uRhulani Mgwena ku decide ukuthi ke ashiye phansi kulo msebenzi ayo coacha inina ayo coacha Pyramids FC. Pyramids ke bafethu isathana kudedela nje ucoach wayo udecide ukuthi ke angayirenew icontract ucoach lo beyicoach Pyramids. So uRhulani ke uyena oyoyicoacha iPyramids. Singesazi ukuthi ke ucoach njengoba nje ehamba kuyona iPyramids uzoya kuba maningi ama clubs akhona la eAfrica amdingayo ucoach one experience njengalo coach. Usikhumbula phela wayishaya iMulti Sundowns kwifinal eyiphuca iChampions League yabo. Simfisela inhlanhla kuRhulani Mgwena ukuthi ke angakwazi ke afike lapha ahlale isikhathi ngempela because uRhulani ke akanayo inhlanhla ukuthi ke ahlale noma isizini noma amasizini amabili ever since wahamba kuyona iMulti Sundowns. Each and every team afika kuyona ufika nje isizini iphana nendawo noma ke isaqala isizini akayiqedi nje isizini ahlale nje aqede kahle yabo. Let's hope nje ehleli nje lapha Egypt uzokwazi ke adlale kahle Egypt i-team ke ikhuphula icontract yakhe aqhubeka win indondo maybe ke ayihlule iAl Ahly. Kwezi indaba eziphumile kabafethu the former SuperSport United player kuba na uShandra Campbell kuyenga ukuthi ke uShandra Campbell kungenzeka ahambe kule club le ayidlalelayo kwiClub Brugge yabo. iClub Brugge ke bafethu ke umjida kungenzeka bamlone noma ke bamdayise cause ke abekho happy neze ngendlela umjida adlala ngakhona but ke let's hope le move le umjida uzokwazi ke ayisebenzise kahle azama ukuthi ke afocus egroundini adlale ibhola ayeke izinto ezingaphandle khona ke ezobuyela kwisquad sayi Bafana because siyadinga ukumbona uShandra Campbell ebuyelile kweBafana ayeke izinto ezingaphandle umjida focus nje egroundini aqhubeke nokudlala ibhola. Club le ibizwa ngeKV Kortrijk angikwazi ukul pronounce igama layo but ke le club le yase Belgium yabo. So maybe ke somewhere somehow umfukeng naye basazotholana baphinde ke badlale against each other yabo. Some people might say this is a downgrade but mina gokwami I think this is a very very good opportunity for him ukuthi ke athole igame time akwazi ke aqhubeke adlale because njengoba nje ade edlala kwiClub Brugge ubengayithola igame time unakhona kwiClub Brugge ubedlala kwintwana ezincane yabo kwi-next level. So njengoba nje iyodlalela le club le let's hope bazomnikeza nje igame time adlale cause uCassius Mayilulu bedlalela yona le club le mukhumbula kahle wayeloniwe from Toronto FC yamlona le eBelgium. So i-movie rights for yena umjida but ke kwamanje akaka-announce lutho sisakhona nje ingxoxo behind the scenes akakabi khona ama-announcements but ke let's hope le deal le izoba impumelelo khona ke umjida azothola igame time akwazi ke abe umdlali uzokwazi ke akhetheke because yodlala ama-qualifiers for i-AFCON. Asifuni ke uma sidlale ama-qualifiers uma sekubiwa abantu abawudlala kuma-AFCON qualifier asebeyodlala kwi-AFCON kube ngathi ke kunabadlali abangabizwa yabo. Kumele umjida focus. Kwezi indaba eziphumile kabafethu Orlando Pirates ikhipha istatement izolo yasho ukuthi ke uMickey Junior niyazi ke intatheli le abafethu yangaphandle ehlezi reporter indaba zebhola ezikhona la eAfrica ishawo unyawo kwasho unquthuli iPirates yathi amampunge lawa asho uMickey Junior uAbdeslam Wadou ngiyaza ahambe ayojoina inina ayojoina iZamalek SC yabo. Okuyindida abantu abaningi abaloku bekhuluma ngayo bayasho ukuthi ke ubani uAbdeslam Wadou ukhuluma kakhulu noMickey Junior babangani yabo baze bawishelane ama-birthdays. Ingabe kukhona yini uAbdeslam Wadou akutshelile uMickey Junior singesazi but ke Orlando Pirates iphumile obala yasho ukuthi ke azikho le ngxoxo lezi ezenzakalayo between uAbdeslam Wadou with Zamalek yabo because mukhumbula kahle the last coach who done this ulo coach lo wayecoacha noRhulani owashiya phansi umsebenzi wakhe wasehamba ele kwiZamalek yabo. Kwezi izindaba nje ngisakuyona iOrlando Pirates izindaba eziphumile kuthiwa iOrlando Pirates idedele nje umdlalo ona 22 years uLungelo Dondolo but ke imdedela on a loan imdedela kwiKaizer Stars yabo. Season loan ikele bafethu umjida uzospenda the whole season with iKaizer Stars. Let's hope umjida uzofika adlale kahle khona kwiKaizer. Kwezi izindaba ezizaphuma namhlanje the former Sekhukhune United and Orlando Pirates coach ukuba naku Eric Tinkler he will coach the Giants of Ghana inina iAsante Katoko. Ngiyayikhumbula ke le team le bafethu yashaya iKaizer Chiefs ngosikhathi ke iKaizer Chiefs ihostile le Mos Mabhida for iToyota Cup beyishaya nje kuma penalty. So Eric Tinkler uyena ozoba ucoach omusha waleyo team leyo yabo. After he was released by Sekhukhune United, ayikho team ebisam approachile. Yes, I remember iDurban City vele bimfuna, but ke kubuya ngathi ke iDurban City ya opta for another coach obeqhamuka kwiKaizer Chiefs. Eric Tinkler kuse wahamba ke waya le eGhana. I like lento lo yenzakala ngocoach bala eAfrica, bala eSouth Africa to be honest. Ukuthi ke sebethole ithuba lokuthi ke ba coach kuma club akhona la eAfrica ahlukahlukene. Yabo lento le yenziwa uPeter Mosemane yinhle ngempela, because mukhumbula kahle angikhumbuli ngibona coach bala eSouth Africa bephuma ngempela beya ngaphandle yabo be approach ama club ala eAfrica. Maybe ke I might be wrong, but I don't remember ngibona ama club ala eAfrica approacha coach bala eSouth Africa yabo. Izindaba eziphumile bafethu, I previously reported regarding iKruger United. Ngasho ukuthi ke iKruger United bafethu izosebenzisa ini na, izosebenzisa iMbombela Stadium. Naku ke namhlanje baphumele ubala bafethu, iKruger United isigned a 3-year agreement with iCity of Mbombela to use iMbombela Stadium for its home games in the upcoming seasons yabo. Bazoshare le stadium lesi with iTS Galaxy and amaPumas, i-team edlalela iRugby yabo. Let's hope ke bafethu balandeli bazofika ngobuningi bazoyisupporta iKruger United. I spoke about this, many people were disputing the fact that ingayisebenzisa kanjani iKruger United iMbombela Stadium ibikhona iTS Galaxy. Izinto ezikanje bafethu ziyenzakala, sesakubona ngaphambilini maningi ama-team amaningi ashare i-stadium. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu, iSekhukhune United team announced ke namhlanje uMelusi Buthelezi, who was released by Orlando Pirates. They announced him officially. Umjida uso goalkeeper wanina waso iSekhukhune United. Iphinde ya-announce futhi ukuthi ke basayine ubani na uHomole Mokhoto beno Siyabonga Ndlozi from Orlando Pirates on a permanent deal. Abajida ke bajoyine iSekhukhune United. Letho abajida bazofika badlale kahle laphana mayibonakalisa. I'm really sad regarding uNdlozi. I thought uNdlozi bezothola ithuba kuyona Orlando Pirates, but ke it's a pity umjida kalitholanga ithuba. Letho uzofika kuyona iSekhukhune United afika adlale kahle. Another player okuKhoto bafethu, umjida uyalazi ibhola. Kwezizindaba eziphumile bafethu, uSalim ugoalkeeper ubevimbela iRichards Bay FC, ugoalkeeper ke lo bafethu usezohamba ayojoyina iDurban City. Durban City izom-announce nje kungekudala, but ke kuthiwa ke ubonakalile ejima with iDurban City yabo. Let's hope ke le indaba lezi zizoba iqiniso, because Durban City yabadanga ngempela abadlali, and lo goalkeeper lo une experience ngempela. I've seen him countless times goalkeeping for iRichards Bay. Kwezizindaba eziphumile ke bafethu, i-technical team kaManqoba Mnqithi isireleasiwe. Njengoba niyibona nje bafethu, this is the technical team uManqoba Mnqithi azoyisebenzisa. U-announcile ukuthi ke ulande bani nawo, ulande uSimon Dladla as i-assistant coach, walanda noKagisho Dikashwe as i-assistant coach, ubekhona kwiGolden Arrows, walanda noCraig Etafia goalkeeper coach, walanda noYadan Valodia as in analyst yabo. Yibona ke abantu labazosebenzisana nabo njengoba nje eyale kwi-Young Africans, and njengoba nje eya kwi-Young Africans ufuna labadlali labo babili okubani na ukuThulani Gumede noJustice Figueiredo. Labadlali ke laba kungenzeka bandize bayele yabo, bahambe ngebhanoyi bayele kwi-Young Africans bayoshaya ama-medicals ukuze ke bazosayina as new players anina e-Young Africans. Kwezizindaba eziphumile ke Mamelodi Sundowns are set to send their striker uJody Ashine and the midfielder ukubana uAphelele Teto back to University of Pretoria for another long season loan. Kwezizindaba eziphumile iLerumo Lions ikhuphulile ke icontract kabani na kaNkanyiso Zungu, the former Orlando Pirates player. Umjida ke bafethu azoqhubeka nje ayidlalele iLerumo Lions.